Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video, we're going to be talking you through the pound versus the Australian dollar as price has broken out of a key level of resistance. So we're going to be looking at the possibility of the price continuing to trade higher. So price of pound Oz has broken through the key monthly highs around about the one spot 81.50 and continue to trade higher so far. So this could see the price rally to the next level of resistance around about the one spot 9100 highs, which formed back in February 2022. However, before we get into that, I just want to discuss the news. We do have the Bank of England governor speaking this week. He's set to speak at the London School of Economics, and he's speaking at the Centre of Macroeconomics. So he is likely to discuss the economy or the policies surrounding it. So there could be some volatility being created from this speaking engagement. We also have the fact that the RBA the CPI data out of the Australia is coming out this week. However, the RBA's chances of pausing rate hikes in the next meeting have dwindled as inflation remains high in Australia. The RBA has recently increased interest rates to 3.6%, which are the highest level in over a decade. However, the Australian 10-year government bonds have dropped from the 4% highs in December, and if this continues, the Australian dollar could weaken further as bonds look to fall below 3.25%. So this is kind of causing the pound to kind of rally higher and the Australian dollar to weaken. It's probably more driven by the Australian dollar weakness at this current moment in time, and if that does continue, then price of pound Aussie could continue to trade higher. Now I am on the monthly time frame here. The price has, like I said, broken through the recent highs of the one spot 81.50 handle. It was also the sort of neckline of this double top pattern which formed at the one spot 9100 level. This is the February 2022 highs, and because we've broken above this level, it does suggest that maybe we're going to see price continue to push higher. So if traders are going to look for price to trade higher, what would they be looking for in particular? Well, they could be looking for the price to retrace back to key areas of support and resistance before seeing a continuation. So if we were to look at that ourselves, we can go down to the weekly time frame first, and we can see that the weekly is closed above these highs. We're extended into that this week. Now if we go to the daily time frame and zoom out, there are another couple of interesting opportunities. So for instance, if the price was to come back down to the previous structure highs, which actually rest a little bit higher than the one spot 81.50, it's around about the one spot 83 level where we had these recent highs and these highs in here. If price was to pull back into that area, traders that are looking to go long could be looking for bullish reversal patterns at this point. So that could be the double bottom pattern, that could be the inverse head and shoulders pattern, anything like that to suggest that traders are getting involved back to the long side could see price continue higher to the next level of resistance. Now I have marked out the one spot 88 level as a resistance point as well, because you can see it was the kind of neckline of this head and shoulders pattern that has gone untested. So I'm looking to see if price will continue up to the one spot 88 handle. After the fact, if it reaches that level, we could see price break through and trade to the one spot 91 level, which was that monthly level of resistance. So we'll see how the pound Aussie continues to move. Could be an opportunity for price to trade even higher here. Thanks for watching this video update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more of our Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.